So no one's perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Either it might be knowingly or unknowingly. But in this video, I'm going to show you and I'm going to tell you these 4 mistakes which you need to stop doing from today so that you come into the alpha male category. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Raven D'Souza, and in this channel I make videos about men's fashion, lifestyle, grooming, health, fitness, motivation and many more other topics. All you need to do is just hit that subscribe button because I'm pretty sure that whatever videos I make is definitely going to help you out in some or another way. Okay, so let's directly dive straight on to the point. Wait, just a sec. That was an alpha move, right? No, I don't think so. And if you're someone who's texting me like that, I would literally disown you right away. See, this was the time when we, or people my age, were teenagers. Like, we were in last stages of the social media or being exposed to social media. And this was a time when everyone was so hyped up that these small letters for no reason started becoming popular. See, if you're literate enough, if you know English properly, try to use the full word spelling. Like, what's BY? Some people say BY for buy. No, BYE. Simple. That's a 3-letter word. Why do you need to make a 3-letter word short? Like, instead of typing THT, you can type THAT. You're just missing one word. That's not a short form. That's basically, I could say that you're illiterate in writing words. And I wouldn't continue to have a conversation if you're typing or if you're sending messages to me like that. So the only thing I would like to say is, see, there are exceptions when it comes to like using abbreviations such as ASAP, like as soon as possible, or LOL or LMAO. Those are exceptions because you're reacting to something which are like bigger words and you're just making small abbreviations to it. But instead, if you're using these words, I wouldn't have a conversation with you, nor would anyone else my age, or nor would anyone else who is I would say well educated, would like to have a conversation with you. Okay, so number 2. Come on. I'm having a lot of distractions today, but wait, just let me reply to this text back, okay? Did I do the right thing? If I were the one suggesting you, no. For instance, you like someone, okay? And that someone is already in a relationship with someone and she hardly has conversation with you, or whenever you text her, the only response is yes, okay, or she either responds to you with double clicking on your text, which is just liking on your text and leaving you on read. I would suggest you just end it down there. You don't need to lead the conversation on and on because she's already fed up of you. She doesn't want to talk to you. And then out of a sudden, she texts you to meet her up. Just because I'm just guessing here that she might have had an argument with her boyfriend. So instead of saying yes, you just be like, you know what, I don't have time. This shows how alpha for male you are. This shows that you respect yourself. You're not dropping your standards for anyone, or you're just not like, yes, you know what, I'll just say yes and I'll just go. You need to understand the concept of saying no. You need to say no to situations which aren't important to you. Hey bro, I want to show you something. I got something really, really special today and I cannot wait to hype this up. New Yeezys, man. Look how cool these look. They don't look cool, man. They don't look cool. And also, they're fake. This was this was the time of me, as I mentioned in this video, about you can check it out somewhere around on the top. I had mentioned that I was on this phase where I was buying brands literally very badly, and I was so addicted to it that I started buying fakes, which wasn't a good idea, I would say, because now they're a waste of money, and also fakes are gonna be fakes. They're not gonna stay original. And also, if you want to buy something like that to stay hyped up, I would suggest you to go for alternatives such as white leather sneakers, Chelsea boots, a pair of penny loafers, and also if you want a pair of high tops. You can buy all 4 pairs with the price of that one easy. So you know you're saving a lot of money, and you're having like 4 pair of shoes instead of 1 pair of shoes. So you need to stop being so addicted to brands that you're buying knockoffs, and you need to understand how you can dress up, or how you can basically dress up, make a fashionable outfit by just using affordable pieces of clothing. Okay, last but not the least, and I'll try to keep this as PG as possible. Sending your little D-boy pics to someone on the internet, especially some girl, randomly. Not even some girl, especially if you know someone as well, and if you're in a relationship and if you're sending that picture to someone, that's, I don't know, that's just creepy. It's disgusting. And it's uncomfortable. Imagine me sitting next to some random girl on a train or on a bus, and she's just, spending her time on her phone. Randomly, she opens up her Snapchat or her Instagram DM, and she opens the photo, and I I get distracted. I look on the phone and I see something random. I would be disgusted myself. I mean, see, boys, you're excited, that's totally on you. You're excited in another way, that's also totally on you. You don't need to share those uncomfortable moments with someone who doesn't want to be a part of that. So you need to stop doing this. I cannot exaggerate more on this. The only thing I would say is that's a red flag. If you're doing this now, I mean, bro, you're just I wouldn't use the word, but you're just doing the bad thing. So that's all for me for this week, guys. I hope this video helped in some or another way, and I hope that you guys are not the ones who are doing these 4 things or one of these 4 things. If you are, please stop doing this. And yeah, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also comment down below your suggestions as well. Also share this with your friends as well, because I'm pretty sure these 4 mistakes, some people are definitely going to be a culprit of this. So they need to change, and you can be a good reason to provide them a good example by sharing this video. So that's all for me for this week, guys. See you guys next week.